Welcome back to Road Test Masters. Are you road test ready? Why should drivers adjust their rear view and side mirrors properly? To minimize fuel consumption, to signal other drivers when changing lanes, to eliminate blind spots around the vehicle, to check for traffic tickets. To eliminate blind spots around the vehicle, what is the primary purpose of the HOV, high occupancy vehicle lanes? For vehicles with one or more passengers, for electric and hybrid vehicles only, for public transportation, and vehicles with two or more passengers, for emergency vehicles and motorcycles. For public transportation, and vehicles with two or more passengers. When is it illegal to use your horn? When approaching blind pedestrians, to signal to friends, in school zones, near hospitals. To signal to friends. What should you do if you're driving and encounter fog? Use high beams for better visibility. Follow other vehicles closely to stay on course. Reduce speed and use low beams. Increase your speed to exit the fog more quickly. Reduce speed and use low beams. What does a road sign with an X and two R's indicate? Railroad crossing ahead. No parking zone. Pedestrian crossing restricted area. Railroad crossing ahead. What must drivers do upon hearing a siren or seeing flashing lights from an emergency vehicle? Move to the right and slow down. Continue at the same speed and direction. Move to the right and stop. Increase speed to clear the area quickly. Move to the right and stop. What is the correct action when a yellow arrow appears as you are about to turn left at a traffic light? Proceed with the turn. The light is about to turn green. Stop immediately, even if you are in the intersection. The yellow arrow is a warning that the protected turning time is about to end. Accelerate quickly to complete the turn. The yellow arrow is a warning that the protected turning time is about to end. Circumstances can a driver legally cross a double solid yellow line? To pass a slower vehicle. When turning left into a driveway or side street. To overtake a bicycle if there is no oncoming traffic. It is never legal to cross a double solid yellow line. When turning left into a driveway or side street. Before watching, please like and subscribe. What does a flashing yellow arrow signal mean? The traffic signal is malfunctioning. Left turns are allowed, but you must yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. Only right turns are allowed. All turns are prohibited. Left turns are allowed, but you must yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrian. How should drivers behave in a traffic circle or roundabout? Yield to vehicles already in the circle. The vehicle to the left has the right of way. Stop before entering the circle. Vehicles in the circle must yield to entering traffic. Yield to vehicles already in the circle. What is the legal requirement for children's car seats in most states? Children under 8 must be in a car seat or booster seat. Children under 12 must be in the rear seat. Children must use a booster seat until they are 4'9" tall. All of the above. All of the above. What should you do when approaching a blinking red traffic light? Stop completely, then proceed when safe. Slow down and yield to oncoming traffic. Yield to pedestrians only. Proceed without stopping, but watch for vehicles. Stop completely, then proceed when safe. How should you respond if your vehicle begins to skid on a wet road? Accelerate to regain control. Brake hard to stop immediately. Steer in the direction of the skid to regain control. Turn off the ignition. Steer in the direction of the skid to regain control. What is the best practice for driving in heavy rain to avoid hydroplaning? Increase your speed to reduce contact with the road. Maintain your current speed and steering direction. Slow down and avoid sudden movements. Turn on your headlights to high beam. Slow down and avoid sudden movements.